If you're wondering how you can remove and change the straps on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to remove the bands, just flip your band around. Now at the back of your band, you will see these buttons. Now to remove the strap, just press the button and pull the strap, just like that. And by doing that, the strap will be removed. And on the other side, you will find the other button. Just press the button and remove the strap. Now after you remove the straps, you will be able to replace them with new ones. Now if you have forgot the placement of the straps, just remember that the strap with the buckle goes at the top of the band. Just press the band gently and it will lock in place. And the band with the cutouts, it will go at the bottom at the band. Just press it and it will lock in place. Just like that. And this is how you can remove and change the straps on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.